super nice lady offered to help me.
I got it. Thank you. Go ahead, man. Never seen this done, huh?
Nah, dude, it's fucking gangster, bro. That's honestly sick. I was like, how's he gonna fucking take this shit?
Yeah.
That was some gangster shit.
No problem, man.
Make sure they fucking tip you when you get there. Yeah, we're literally, you have to go to the hospital and stuff.
I heard.
The dad felt really bad with the grandpa. The girlfriend was chilling with them. They're just, can you please watch the bike? Can you call the truck? I was like, yeah, we got you guys.
That's what's up. You took a nasty spill?
She broke a finger.
And you guys in full suits, no road rash.
Nothing. The fingers be breaking, collarbones be breaking, ankles be breaking.
Road rash is no joke. I got that, I got this, I got my ass cheeks. Fucking that shit sucks. Especially when they fucking have to scrub that shit.
Oh yeah, dude. Oh,
It's
yeah.
the worst.
That's the best. And they're like, oh! That might even go nowhere. Nowhere.
No.
It ain't going nowhere.
Bro, bikes scare me.
I know.
It's not like a car. Yeah, it's not like a car where you just open it up and it's not going nowhere. This is like, you got like two straps, God forbid it, the ratchet pops open. So.
It's like you and mine only carry 2 straps, and I just only on the front board.
What, right here on the handlebars, bro?
Triple threes on the clamps in here. And like these metal brackets inside here.
Okay, and you just pull it down like that?
Down and I strap it from there. Yeah, she ain't going.
Nah, it's good.
Alright, man.
Alright, man.
I'm serious. Thank you so much, man.
No.
I wish I had something like that.
Nah, you're good, man.
Sit me up.
Alright, man.